AutoDS versus Minea, which one is better? Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to go over another compare and contrast between two drop shipping service providers, AutoDS and Minea, or Minea, however you want to pronounce that. And we are going to start with AutoDS. So AutoDS is an all-in-one automatic drop shipping tool that helps customers effortlessly manage their online stores by automating product listing, inventory tracking, product research, order fulfillment, and so on and so forth. And we are going to begin with its pros and cons. So the pros are: provides reliable customer support, automation of multiple suppliers, convenient inventory management, which a lot of people are looking for, lots of time-saving features, and a one-click product import feature. The cons, however, there is no trial, there's no free trial, everything is priced, and the UI can be confusing, especially for beginners. So those are the pros and cons. Now, if you go to trustpilot.com here, a website for reviews and whatnot, as you can see here, this is AutoDS. It has a 4.8 out of 5 rating, which is so high, based off of over 9,231 reviews. So as you can see here, the breakdown is as follows. 5-star is over 88%, right? 4-star is 8%. 3-star is less than 1. 2-star is 1%, and 1-star is 3%, surprisingly. But again, if we go back to our pros and cons, this probably is the UI or people who are just like very new to drop shipping. So if you go and see all the reviews here, these are all people. These are not botted, by the way. And as you can see their location. So this one's from the US, right? A lot from the US, SCA, Canada, Singapore. So again, very high, very, very high. And again, if you go to their website, this is their website. I'm going to show you their features, the features of AutoDS, so that you could have an idea of what you're going to get. So as you can see here, it says here, 1.8 million plus drop shippers who use the platform. It has over $1 billion earned by said drop shippers, and it had over 800 million winning products available. Right. So what are the features? They have a product research system. They have a built-in AI Shopify store. Right. Get an AI-built Shopify store with winning products ready to sell pages to kickstart your drop shipping business. You can also import products. So you can import over 500 million products from global suppliers in just one click, which is pretty handy. And they also have fulfilled by AutoDS, which is automation when it comes to tracking, orders, and returns for the buyers, right? Of course, they also have their own print and demand. They have product sourcing, and they have 24/7 live chat support with an average of 1 hour in terms of response time by their professional support team that will 100% help you with whatever query or issue you have with the service. And they have 14-day trial for $1, which is pretty cool, right? So this is the supported worldwide suppliers. Work with reliable and trustworthy suppliers from all over the world that are supported by AutoDS. As you can see here, AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, Home Depot, Banggood, Walmart, eBay, Costco, Overstock, Costway, Lowe's, dropshipping.com. And they have eBay, WooCommerce, Shopify, Etsy, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, and TikTok. Right? So those are the suppliers. And as you can see, pretty cool animation that we have here. And here, of course, you're going to have reviews, right? We already saw reviews, but this is the Shopify reviews. And they have reviews from Shopify App Store, Capterra, GetApp, and this one. Now we go to pricing. So when it comes to pricing for AutoDS, it depends on the platform, right? Whether you're eBay, Shopify, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, WooCommerce, Etsy, and TikTok. It depends, right? So it is divided into 4 plans. So you have import, you have starter, you have advanced, and then you have a customized. This is for big businesses, pretty much. So import, you pretty much get 200 products. Product research tool is available. Graph manager is available. You can see all the available goods, right? And you could see the one that doesn't have checks. Those are not available for that plan. So again, it depends on the platform, right? This is eBay. Shopify is much more expensive. Facebook is more expensive. Amazon is very expensive. Wix, not as much as good as Shopify, right? WooCommerce, same thing. Etsy, same thing. And then TikTok is a bit more expensive. But again, Amazon, which is the biggest platform for selling, right? There you go. And you can just, again, just scroll down, show you. There we go. And yeah, that is AutoDS. All right, that was AutoDS. This is Minea. So Minea is a product search tool that helps you locate and select the best products for your e-commerce business. It analyzes all the different social media platforms, in particular Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest, to see which products are the most sought after and suggest them to you so you could use them on your drop shipping store. Now we have here a quick overview of Minea. It has a 4.8 out of 5 rating, which is pretty good. The best are as follows. You have a compare and contrast, but this is a bit different. So huge database of winning products, ease in finding winning products, information from almost all social media platforms, up to date with the latest products, and it is affordable compared to other ad spy or drop shipping tools. The worst part about Minea is that it only gives you access for one user per account, and the not easy to conduct your product search if you try to do that within the tool. All right, so we are going to go over the pros and cons of Minea. So the pros are as follows. Huge database of winning products, ease of use in finding winning products, information from almost all social media platforms like Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, so on and so forth. It has up-to-date information on all the latest products available on the market, and it is much more affordable than other print-on-demand products, not print-on-demand, dropshipping products especially that has ad spy, right? Cons, however, only one person can man the tool. So that means only one person can access Minea at once. So the last one would be, it is not easy to conduct your product search as a result of the different large platforms that it juggles around. So it's a bit tricky, but it is still doable. So Minea has a feature, that is spy tool. You can examine your customers' interactions with your ads or the ads of your competitors. As you can see here, you could see the engagement, whether it's low, medium, high, so on and so forth. Another good thing about Minea is that you can find influencers to market your products. So if you're familiar with social media, you probably know that influencer marketing is one of the go-to marketing strategies you can do, especially if you're a smaller drop shipping or online store. So a variety of brands are converting today thanks to influential marketers who help them promote their products and services. So with Minea, plans have their plans, or the plans that you pay for. It has access to influencers directly on the platform, so you can contact them if you want them to advertise or market your products. All right, so we are in Minea.com, and I talked a little bit about earlier, a minute ago, about AdSpy. So as you can see here, Minea AdSpy best tool. Easily spy out Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and Shopify ads with an AdSpy tool. Discover your competitors' strategies and best performing campaigns. This is pretty much, you can see what's up with other people. You can see what's working for them or what's not working for them, and then you can implement said strategies to your own dropshipping service. Right, as you can see here, there you go. And then lastly, we are going to go through the subscription or the plans. So as you can see here, there are 3 starter plans. Starts at $49. Premium is at $99 per month, and business is at $399 per month. So this is monthly, but if you try to pay annual, it is much cheaper. So starter is $34 per month, premium is $69 per month, and business is $299 per month. And you're going to see here what each plan has. So starter has 10,000 credits, Facebook ads, influencer placements, details of ads and placements, advanced filters, and Chrome extension. And then as you can see here, Premium in Business has, of course, much more. So just, pause the video and read it. And you can also try for free. So you get to have 250 credits for free. So if you just click try for free like that, and you're going to be brought to this spot. And of course, you need to have signed up for an account, which is pretty easy. So that is Minea and AutoDS. We hope that you have a better understanding now of both dropshipping service providers and see which one suits you better. And that's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.